Useboshiwe umsolwa obethungathwa amaphoyisa kwaZulu Natal lapha eMbumbulu eningizimu yeTheku. Ekuseni ke namhlanje abalisa abahlanu abebekade ke bebamba inkunzi ke esinye sezitolo bakwazile ukuthi babaleke amaphoyisa abesiyabajaha. Oyedwa wabo ke wabe esengeza la emphakathini waseMbumbulu na ayikwazile ke ukungena kweminye yemizi ekhona la endaweni wabe ethumba ke amalungu omndeni amabili okungugogo kanye nabazukulu bakhe ababili. Kepha ke ukusichazela ngabanzi ukuthi amaphoyisa akwaze kanjani ukubamba lomsolwa ake sizwe okhulumela amaphoyisa kwaZulu Natal uBrigadier J Naika.
Well, as we indicated, the suspects after the robbery they fled to the Mbumbulu area, and they were tracked to this area by security officers from Magma Security as well as the SAPS. A chase ensued and the suspects lost control of the vehicle. They got out of the vehicle and opened fire at the security officials. They fled in different directions. However, one of them was apprehended on the scene. The second one was tracked to this area where he was in a house in this area, and as police officers approached the house, he opened fire on them. They then surrounded the house and contacted the hostage negotiators.
Amaphoyisa athi ke uphenyo luyaqhubeka ke ukuthungatha abalisa abathathu abasagcwele amathafa. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya, wezindaba ze SABC ngiseMbumbulu.